Understanding twin lives in English. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore an interesting phrase in the English language: twin lives. This phrase might not be something you encounter in everyday conversation, but it's a poetic and profound way of describing two lives that are intertwined or very similar. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what this phrase means but also how to use it in your own conversations. When we talk about twin lives, we're referring to two lives that are so similar and connected that they seem almost the same, much like identical twins. This connection could be due to shared experiences, careers, hobbies, or even lifestyles. The word twin in this phrase symbolizes similarity or duality, while lives signifies the experiences or existences of two people. Let's look at some examples to understand twin lives better. Biographical tales. Sometimes, biographies are described as telling the story of twin lives if the subjects have shared remarkable similarities in their journeys. Fictional narratives. In literature, characters with parallel storylines or destinies can be said to lead twin lives. Real-life scenarios. If two friends follow the same career path, marry at the same time, and even have children simultaneously, one might say they lead twin lives. Now, how do you use twin lives in a sentence? Here are a few examples. Growing up in different cities, John and Mark never knew how their twin lives would eventually bring them together. The novel revolves around the twin lives of two women fighting for justice in different eras. Despite being continents apart, the cousins led twin lives, both becoming pediatric surgeons. Understanding the phrase, twin lives, can give you deeper insight into the themes of connectivity and parallelism in storytelling, biographies, and in real life. It emphasizes how two individuals can share a bond that transcends physical boundaries and how their choices and experiences resonate with each other. And that wraps up our look into twin lives. I hope this video has shed light on a fascinating aspect of the English language and expanded your understanding and vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about the stories and connections they weave. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next video.